I got zeroed out my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish in the shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you well, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come we quit on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come we quit with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. So some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right hand, my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology. Focus on my future, so I invest in technology. Number one is where we ranking.
Come on.
And if you don't have XRP, then I do not know what you thinking. This the time, this the year, this the place to be. Hold them strong all day long, doing it faithfully. Keep that negative energy far away from me. It's not our fault that we seeing something that you can't see. I got my hands on some on-demand liquidity, and I'ma hold on to it now into infinity. This the greatest wealth transfer the world will ever see. But I'm not talking, I'm about to go buy me more XRP, cause I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well.
For well.
I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? Can't you tell?
What up, everybody? What's going on? How you guys doing? How is everybody doing? We just cranked up to 90.5 cents. Now that could be one of two things. See, we definitely have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have our peaks, and we could be going down and then coming back up again, as you can see. However, I believe we're still in a bull run. So we have our 5 Elliott waves up, retest the 50 EMA, and I think we're just going to be off to the races again. That's what I think. I think we're going to be off to the races again. It's a bull run, you know? We're not retracing anymore. This isn't last May where we hit $2 and then fell. We are back in the bull run. We are in the bull run. Usually, I would expect this right here. This is what I would expect. But the fact that we are climbing XRP, and it's XRP. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think we're just gonna boom. We hit the 50 EMA, and I think we're ready to go off to the races again. But we could come all the way down to 70 cents. We could come all the way down to this area. We could. There's a small chance we could come down to 40 cents. But we'll see. There is a chance we could even hit 35 cents. But I want to see what is going to happen. Rye Guy, what is up, man? What is up, everybody? It has been a long day for me, guys. Long day. I was honestly in bed because my back is killing me right now, guys. But I was like, you know what? Let me just go do a live stream. Even though I am so tired, I am so beat, I got to come hang out with you guys, even if it's for an hour. maybe 2. We'll see. What time is it? 9 o'clock? Oof, probably maybe an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4 hour. Look bullish, weekly bullish. It all looks bullish, man. Yes. And look at that 50 EMA that I snuck in there. Look at that. Let's take the EMA ribbon off. And look at that perfect touch on the 50 EMA. Can you guys see that? Look at that perfect touch. That is a perfect touch. That is perfect. It doesn't get better than that. And every time we're coming down, we're seeing wicks on the bottom and not so much on the tops of the candles, which means it's possible, since we just retested this 50 EMA, that we could just launch one more time. But it's also setting up like it's ready to come down. So, but the fact that I think we're in a bull run means we're going to see more upside than downside. So you guys remember last year, January, February, March, April, we saw more downside than upside, right? You think price is going up and then boom, it drops a ton, liquidating all the longs. That was done for a reason. They knew people were going to think that it was bull run time and we're going past $4. So they were liquidating everybody left and right. It's a dirty game that they play, right? So now I think they're about to start liquidating shorts left and right, which means price appreciation, price explosion, parabolic price action is exactly what that means. Printed a green dot on the weekly this week. Oh my God, that's amazing. I love to hear that, man. Love to hear that. So yeah, my day was filled up, guys. I did a lot today. Now I'm just chilling. I was about to watch a movie or something on Amazon, or we're watching The Tudors. I already saw it, but I didn't remember a lot of it. So it's kind of like watching it for the first time again. You think we go in $8? I think so too, guys. I hope you guys are ready. Listen, we have been so patient, guys. A lot of you have been here with me for a year almost already. Guys, we are going on a year right now in February since I started doing videos. I really didn't start the live streams till I think middle or end of March, but I was doing videos after videos. I think I was doing live streams in the beginning, but I know I was making videos for a while. But live streams is more my thing. I enjoy making videos and they're cool and you get on that daily grind. But when you're making a YouTube video, you're making it for everybody, So it's like you just want it to be nice and perfect and smiles and happy and give out the information perfectly, and do all that stuff. But when I go live, I just like chilling with you guys, We're here, we're hodling, we're on this journey together, and we are just going into the future. I wouldn't say blindly because we know what we hold, but for lack of better words, I would have to say that's it. You're moving some XRP to an exchange and setting a sell at $8. Ooh. Nice, bro. I have I wonder if my Ledger Live, let me open my Ledger Live, because I'm wondering if the swapping or selling works for me, because it wasn't working. Let me see. All right, swap. Exchange crypto assets directly from your Ledger device. This service is not available in the US. Okay, so I can't use it in the US. How about buy, sell? Choose a crypto asset. All right, my crypto asset is not here. Sell. Nope. I can only hold. I can only hold for some reason. It's weird. That's all good. It's all right. So what I've been doing is I've just been keeping an eye on this. I saw we hit the 50 EMA perfectly, so I've been watching it for the past 8-9 hours. I've been watching like shooting star, hammer candle, vector candle, hammer candle, shooting star, hammer candle, stopping volume candle, which means price could reverse down, which it is doing right after the stopping volume candle. So I expected that. Now, I want to know, is this going to be a fake out? Because I believe we are going to see positive price action in the future, whether that future is now or more further into the future. I believe we are going to see a lot more positive price action than negative price action. I believe long or shorts are going to get more liquidated than longs, because longs were getting liquidated all last year. And I believe it is time for that run. So I think we are going to see more of an uphill race with price appreciation than coming down and liquidating longs. So this could be a fake out and we could just continue higher. Or we could come down to the 75 or 70 cents level and then just kind of trap off inside of like this, and then just keep staying lower and lower and lower and lower until we break out again. We just have to watch it and see what it does. That's all we can do. But at the end of the day, we're just dollar cost averaging anyway. So that's all we have to do is dollar cost average. It's that simple. It really is. Dollar cost averaging is the answer to pretty much everything for me. Dollar cost average. You buy, you hodl. Price goes down, you buy more. It goes up, you sit back and watch. It goes down, you buy more. It goes up, you sit back and watch. Never selling. Just buying when it gets lower and just watching it go up. That's it. Never selling until we hit our price targets, or until I hit my price target. And that's pretty much whether I feel like I want to take 5 or 10% profits or not. 10%, 10% as it goes up, 10%, 10%, because you never know when a retrace could happen. And then 10%, all of a sudden, now you got $5,000, it retraces, you reinvest the 5 or 10 grand, whatever your 5 or 10% is. Maybe it's 10 or 20 grand when you make 10%. And then boom, you reinvest it once the retrace happens, and you keep compounding and compounding. And it's just beautiful. Or you're one of those people who just buy a bunch of it, throw it in your Ledger Nano, and throw that thing in a safe lockbox somewhere and go about your life for 5 years. Maybe you're one of those kind of people. I don't know. But I was pretty interested to see what happens here, because I know Bitcoin. Let me get Bitcoin up here. All right, here's Bitcoin. Here's Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin was moving down as XRP was moving up. But now it's moving down with Bitcoin. I almost titled this stream decoupling, XRP decoupling question mark, but I'm not sure that's going to happen right now. There will be a time where I am sure it's going to happen, but I'm not sure if this is the time yet. But this perfect touch of the 50 EMA just tells me that this could be a fake out. Only because that perfect test of the 50 EMA, that's what tells me that. That's exactly what tells me that. that this could be a fake out because we tested that 50 EMA perfectly and sprung off. Even though you could sit here and, you know, be like, well, jaded, you know, we did just have 5 Elliott waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these could be our peaks. That's possible. But I think we're in a bull run. So I think it's quite possible we could just start cranking. We could just turn around and start cranking. That's what I think. What do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think. Dímelo. Dime. We got a lot of people putting out some crazy stuff. A lot of crypto YouTubers putting out some crazy stuff. And I'm loving it. It's all good stuff. It's all good stuff. Ripple XRP, massive alt season heating up. Claim Flare 888 NFT. Ooh, I'm going to have to look into that after the stream. Look at Mark Zuckerberg. I got him missing teeth. Crypto Eddie, ledger addresses, $1.18 November level. Uptick active. Ooh. This case is over, this guy says. What? Let's see this. Probably clickbait.
People are basically just watchdogs trying to hold the government. So I'm taking you back to really where this all began back in November of 2020 when I did not think so. We're expecting now. I don't expect jail time for Bill Hinman. I don't expect because you are waiting for another 5 cent, another 10-cent drop. Few more days of 20% candles. You know, we're back here. We're at the 86 pumping. This is a pump and dump coin. Be wrapping up, but I've been thinking that this thing was going to be wrapped up for the past year. Now, obviously,
this guy just said XRP is a pump and dump coin. And thanks for the clickbait title. Waste of time. Fuck my life. What an idiot. XRP is a pump and dump coin. And then he clickbaited me with this case is over. What a loser. Alright, what else is going on? Kevin Cage. Yeah, Kevin Cage did put something out. 1,000 paces revealed. Ooh, Cobb. Right, guy, you just saw it? So we got to keep an eye and see what happens with this. Oh, President Obama's anger translator? This was funny.
Anyway, as always, I want to close on a more serious note. You know, I often joke about tensions between me and the press, but honestly, what they say doesn't bother me. I understand we've got an adversarial system. I'm a mellow sort of guy. And that's why I invited Luther, my anger translator, to join me here tonight. Hold on to your lily white butts. In our fast-changing world, traditions like the White House Correspondents' Dinner are important. I mean, really? What is this dinner? And why am I required to come to it? Jeb Bush, do you really want to do this? Because despite our differences, we count on the press to shed light on the most important issues of the day. And we can count on Fox News to terrify old white people with some nonsense. Sharia law is coming to Cleveland, run for the damn hills! Y'all's ridiculous. We won't always see eye to eye,
Oh, and CNN, thank you so much for the wall-to-wall Ebola coverage. For 2 whole weeks, we were one step away from the Walking Dead. And then y'all got up and just moved on.
Look at what's happening right now. Every serious scientist says we need to act. The Pentagon says it's a national security risk. Miami floods on a sunny day, and instead of doing anything about it, we've got elected officials throwing snowballs in the Senate.
Okay, Mr. President. Okay, I think I got it, bro.
It is crazy. What about our kids? What kind of stupid, short-sighted, irresponsible bull?
Whoa, hey!
What?
Okay, no, hey.
What?
All due respect, sir, you don't need an anger translator. You need counseling. So now I'm out of here, man. I ain't trying to get into all this.
Go.
Oh, I remember when that came out. Messiah, what is up, man? I remember when that came out. That was hilarious. That was hilarious. So much stuff going on in crypto, guys. XRP Chiz. Big Bank says it's not too late to invest in XRP and RippleNet. That's what we do. We just keep investing every single time the price goes down. Digital asset investor. XRP flips Bitcoin. All-time high next. Quite possible. We'll keep our eye on it. XRP Veil. XRP will win court case with any outcome. Hopefully. We'll see. No, I'm not gonna read that. What else? Michael Jackson, Super Bowl, halftime show. Okay. Extra VOD. Ooh, I watched this one. Almost fainted when I had seen this. He's so funny. He's so funny. Dave Chappelle. What else? Why I was banned? Oh, no. Anything else crypto related? No, we'll have to go over here. Subscriptions. Inspector crypto. No. Bitcoin key levels to watch right now. We know the key levels. We don't need to see that. History, XRP holders. History is repeating itself, this guy says. Have you guys seen this one? Yo, what is up, man? Yes. Man and his dog, yes. We are getting close, baby. Let's see what this is.
History is about to repeat itself. With the SEC on a rampage over crypto regulation in the US, crypto enthusiasts continue to wonder if the SEC regarding the production of specific where the commission had requested an extension of the expert discovery timeline. Yes, I do acknowledge that the certifiable key market for Bitcoin has numerous people not yet involved in the space, waiting. What is visible on the XRP chart is that this line down from the upper here, we're not even in no occasion getting to the 75 cents resistance level anytime soon. Thus, the move is becoming faint.
Anytime soon? We're at almost 90 cents, bro. Yo, this guy made this video before we even went over 80 cents and just released it today. Making Money Online made this video before we exploded past 72 cents and just uploaded it today. I want to see some comments. I wonder who caught that. That's why I don't make back-to-back videos and release them days like in the future, because things could be so different in crypto. I can't believe he did that. That's funny. Ripple predicts 2022 a big year as XRP price explodes.
Ignition sequence.
The first thing I've got here is the thing that the traditional markets are facing hyperinflation, while crypto faces busted. But it's still, nobody knows if that's going to even know. But this one, and the reason that one caught my eye on this tweet, because they tweeted it right in the middle of the surge. And I believe that the surge is going on is because someone believes that the executive order coming out, I mean, it has to be this. Someone believes that the executive order coming out is going to be good for XRP.
Well,
Here he
we'll
is.
see.
He was on Liz Clayman yesterday afternoon.
Well, first,
Oh, that guy is trash. Oh, are you talking about and is always behind the market? Yeah, you're talking about the make money online. We're number 6 in market cap. Flipped ADA and Sol. Ooh. Let's take a look at that. Ooh, number 6. Well, that's because we had like 500 million in volume today. It was crazy. 24-hour volume. Or 6 billion? Was it 6 billion volume we had today? At the end of the day? Oh my God. Wow. We did flip them heavy. Look at this. 6 billion. 2 billion, 2 billion for those two. That's what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen.
well, first it was Bitcoin has regained the 42,000 level. Now look at it. Bitcoin has regained 44,000 over the last couple of hours. We're at 44,301. Crypto price action all over the place is looking good. Green arrows across the board. We do have U.S. Ethereum. There it is, up 7.5% to 3180, back above 3,000, right? Finally, and XRP up 24% this afternoon. The spikes come ahead of the release of the White House's executive order on cryptocurrency that's set to come out this week, Charlie. I mean, we thought it was going to be maybe last week, but why is a rally tied to something like this?
It's like that Shakespearean sonnet, I think it was, tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow creeps in at this petty pace. I'm just showing off a little here, Lizzie. But listen, I would say
gods, it doth amaze me.
Yes. I would say this to the average person that holds crypto, that wants to trade. This is a very volatile trading market, as you know. That's no news. There's no news there. And some of this stuff seems to be trading irrationally. Here's what I think is happening based on speaking with traders, talking with people that are connected to the XRP Ripple versus SEC case, is that people are trying to game plan this report. This report could be very good for Bitcoin. It may just say Bitcoin is an established cryptocurrency, and there may be no effort, essentially, to rein in Bitcoin, which is why you might see Bitcoin up significantly. The other ones that's the question mark. And I'll tell you, I speak with people close to the case at Ripple. They're telling me that the case against them, it's the SEC essentially saying that XRP, a cryptocurrency that we use to finance the Ripple infrastructure, that was an unregistered security. That case could take a big hit here in this report, depending on what the report said. If the report says that Bitcoin is fine, but these other ones are questionable, well then, that could have an impact. And
not in a million years, bro. This guy has no idea what he's talking about. FTX CEO is the second highest contributor to Joe Biden's campaign. I believe it. I definitely believe it.
Bitcoin, Ethereum, like all of the crypto news outlets, they're obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum maxis. Bloomberg, Ethereum is the foundation for revolutionary technologies like NFTs and stable. Still couldn't get it done. Cue the name change. They had to change the name too because of all the bad press. And then he had another thing where this guy says, tried to wrap $10 of Ethereum to make it WETH. So
he doesn't even know what WETH is. He doesn't even know what WETH is on Uniswap. Come on, it's wrapped Ethereum, digital asset investor. Get with the program, bro.
Could buy a cheap NFT to try out the experience. I learned NFTs are not that cheap. It would cost me $12 in gas. And Matt Hamilton says, yeah, Ethereum prices are crazy. Everything about the current crypto market is crazy. It hasn't made any sense for 3 years because...
Yeah, but Ethereum is really crazy. Really crazy.
The regulators, SEC, picked the two inferior technologies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, held them up as if they were somehow special when they weren't. They were actually just technologies that didn't work because proof of work doesn't work. And now The regulators have created one big fat mess, and let's hope that the executive order begins to correct that mess.
I really hope the executive order corrects the mess. I really do, guys.
I'm the digital asset investor. I'm not an investment.
Oh, we know you're not. All right, let's see. We're getting a little more movement to the downside. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right, back to XRP. I want to see if this bounces off 85 cents right here. I want to see if this bounces right off 85 cents, which is right. I want to see if it bounces right off of here. Let's see if it bounces right off of this line. That's what I want to see. If it does that, then we could be in for a big pump. And it's Tuesday, which means it's Wednesday over in Australia, Tokyo, Japan. And that means midweek reversal. So if this just happened, this retrace, then midweek reversal would bring us to the upside. The XRP I hold, are they serialized? How is each XRP identified? Or is it just one of it's code? It's just code. You have a digital asset, you have an XRP, it's just code. There's 40 something billion in circulation. Let's see. Circulating supply 47.83 billion XRP. However many you have of that is how many you have. It just there's code to say what you have. Blockchain technology. If you want to understand it more, there are lots of videos that teach how blockchain works, how they make blocks, and how it makes the blockchain bigger when you complete blocks and move on in proof of work. But then there's proof of stake like XRP. And if you want to see how proof of stake works, just watch a video of proof of stake. But it's just code. Digital coins, digital tokens, digital coins. It's all code. Everything is code when it comes to computers. All right, so don't worry, guys. I got my COVID tests right here. I bought 4 of them. I am negative for COVID. I have no COVID. We're good to go. I took a test the other day. I am negative. All right, here we go. It's coming down. It almost touched this line I put here almost perfectly. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Come on, just a teeny bit more. Just a teeny bit more. I want to see if this is the possible spot where it bounces and rejects to create higher highs and higher lows. That's what I want to see right now. I want it to go down a teeny bit more, and then I want to see it skyrocket. If not, then we could be coming down to 75 or 70 cents possibly. Possibly 80 cents even. Any one of these 3 spots right here. 1, 2, 3. But if we bounce off this pink line, we could be looking really good. Ah, Henry. You say hi? You saying hi? You good boy. Are you good boy? All right, there we go. We pretty much touched the line right there. Let's look at Bitcoin. Ooh, it's going lower. Is it gonna? Ooh, wait. 1, 2, 3. This could be a bounce right here for Bitcoin. Look at this. That could be a bounce right there off this EMA right here. That could be a bounce. That could be a bounce off that EMA, ladies and gentlemen. We could be bouncing right here. What EMA is this? That's the 5MA, not EMA. That's the 5 moving average. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. This thing could crank. Bitcoin could just crank again right here after it comes down a teeny bit more. Bitcoin just needs to come down a teeny bit more. Could be testing this EMA and taking off. It's quite possible because we only have 4 Elliott waves. We got W formation, and check this out. W formation. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and we need to go up again. Let's see. We still need to go up. If it comes a little lower, bounces off this, we could see this touch this line perfectly and continue higher. Keep an eye out. Keep an eye out for it touching this 85 cents. Pretty much even. 85.1. Let's see if it happens. Let's see. Or if it comes a little lower. I just want a little bit more down. Just a little bit more. There it is. There it is. There's the touch. Is it going to continue? Or is this going to be our spring? Is this going to be our spring? Let's see. You guys can see this good enough, right? We got 2 touches right there. This one doesn't necessarily have to touch. This could just start going up from here, which would drag us up. It did. It tapped this line perfectly. Let's see if it's going to bring us higher or if it needs to go lower. Because Bitcoin has 4 Elliott waves. It's missing one more up, which could drag us even higher. Past 92 cents. Possibly over $1. Or is it going to make us retrace all the way to 75 or 80 cents? Cryptocurrency, who knows? All right, there we go. We're getting a wick. We are getting a little wick here. There it goes. Yeah, we got more wick. We got... Alright, I'm pretty excited to see what this is going to do. Oh, it's coming down. Alright, it's coming down. If it continues through this line, then we could possibly see, we could possibly be starting our 5 Elliott waves to the downside if we go past this line. That's what we're keeping an eye out for. But either way, if price comes back down, I'm really hoping it goes lower because I would like to buy one. I would like to buy one more time before it just goes over $1. That would be nice. I would like to see it down to 67, or, I mean, there's a possibility this thing could come down to 35 or 40 cents. There's a possibility we could be seeing these prices right here. We could be seeing anywhere in here. We could see something in here. Small possibility we go down that far, but it is a possibility. But if we do a fake out right now, if we get a fake out here, we could go over $1 tonight. We could go over $1. It is possible. 100% possible. But I urge you guys to keep an eye on this. It touched the line perfectly. Could turn right around, or we could get 5 Elliott waves straight down. Guys, I've had a long day today. But hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow night for the live stream. Thank you guys for hanging out, even though it was a short stream. You guys are awesome. 40 minutes. We'll be on tomorrow on the Jaded Blur channel, doing our Blur Gang HODL thing. You guys have a great night. And until next time, we'll put out some more videos later.
I got zero doubt in my membrane, you keep calling me insane. Every single day more XRP is what I obtain. No more cash, no more cars, only QR codes. No more proof of work, we running validated nodes. This is the life that I chose. They look at the cons, I look at the pros. I'm always bullish and it shows. Now you wanna ask about XRP, I am not telling. Now you want some of my XRP, I am not selling, it's not for sale. Honestly, I just wish you will, cause I'm XRP for well. I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. I'm XRP for well, I'm XRP for life and that's forever, can't you tell? I just keep on buying while they telling me to sell. The whole world gonna be shocked when XRP break out its shell, and that's when we prevail. XRP taking the lead, come equipped with institutional speed. XRP giving the go to proceed, don't listen to FUD, I know they mislead. Try to tell them but I know they don't care. ODL, no nothing compared. Back in the day I was willing to share, now I don't have any left to spare. Saw some liquidity on demand, try to tell them but they don't understand. Holding my ledger right here in my hand, see the signs it was already planned. Digital economy, it's already here. I'm talking about the moon, they think I majored in astrology. Haters talking trash, I think they majored in garbology.